Alright, so this is a quick tutorial on how to get the string into the zip seam quickly and easily. First, you just place the zip seam under the fit that you want. For this shirt, it's about 1 inch, and I'm just gonna push that fabric into the channel with my Shell gift card. So for thinner fabrics, you want to use a thicker card, and for thicker fabrics, you want to use a thinner card. I found that to be the easiest. And now that you have a nice line, you can get your string out and tie a knot at the end. You can tie 2 knots if the fabric is too thin, but it's just so the cord doesn't fall out of the channel itself. Next, we're going to hold the string parallel to the channel and just pull it down. So I have my left index finger under the segment underneath, and I can just pull it, and the little knot at the end will hold the string in place. And we're just gonna go segment by segment and pull the cord into the channel. Sometimes if the fabric is too thick, you can slide the string back and forth, and that should ease it in. And here we go, we'll just use moderate force and it will just snap into place. And just like that, you're done with one side, and you can just repeat this process on the other side. And if your zip seam is too long, you can always just use a pair of scissors and trim it down to size. And we're gonna get out some wrinkles by pulling on it and flip it over, and we have our new fitted line for the shirt.